Hello guys, hello. Give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna get my guest. Okay, I'm just texting her. So, okay, so here she is. I'm gonna get her on and then we'll start talking. So, I have sent her a request. She'll be joining me very soon. Right. Hi, Inoki. Hello. All the way from Dubai, joining us. Vaisiri, if you can hear me, I have sent you a request. You can join in. I have. If you can accept my request, we can start the live. Hello, Roshni. So, yeah, she's going to be here, guys.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Namaskara. I'm doing really
Good.
good. How are you?
Good. So, hey, the weekend. How is the Sunday going?
Week, it was a very hectic weekend. Oh, by the way, ನಾವು ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್.
We can mix both. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ mix ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ವೀಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಕ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಂಡೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಾಸ್ ದಿ ಲೇಸಿಯಸ್ಟ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಟು ಬಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್. ಮನೇಲೇ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೆಲಸ, back to the hectic week. How are you? I
Work will continue. So, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ, let's have a fun weekend. Let's end it with a bang. So,
yes.
first of all, ನಿಮಗೆ a very happy new year.
Same.
And thank you so much. So, ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? How was your New Year party?
So New Year party ಏನಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಟು ಬಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ವಿಶ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. ಐ ವೋಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಶೂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಬೀಚ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಐ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಮೈ ಯೋಗ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ನೋಟ್. I'll tell you about it, why and how. Myself, ನಾನು and first belage I woke up early morning and I did proper yoga session and I had a very healthy day. So no party, nothing.
ಸೊ ಹಾ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಯೋಗ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಯೋಗ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಇದು ಹೇಗ್ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯೋಗ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು?
Okay. So first of all, ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ ಯೋಗ. ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ನನಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಸಿಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡೂ ಯೋಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಅನ್ಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ನಂಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಹಿತೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 second ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಅವ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ಸೆಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 5 months ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಐವ್ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೋಗ ಫಾರ್ 5-6 months now. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಬಾಸಿಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿತ್ ಯೋಗ. And ಅದ್ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ we all started something called a Simple Smart Yogi program. So every morning we practice yoga together with all the people who are interested in doing Ashtanga yoga. So that's how it started, and it changed my thinking, my sense of confidence, ನನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಬೆಟರ್, ಮೈ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಬೆಟರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಐ ಫೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸರ್ ಆನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನ ಅಂತ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿತೇಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೋಗ. So yeah, yoga has been very, very important to me. And once you learn yoga, you can't unlearn it, is what I have learned. And now, hey, we do different fitness workouts. We do a lot of dancing or any other kind of fitness activities. That's for our body. But I feel that yoga is for our souls. You need to let your
Yeah.
soul breathe, I feel. So everybody should do it. Everybody is a yoga body. So, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಯೋಗ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೈಲ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದೆ ಯೋಗ ಇಂದ. ಇನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ my 10 years of schooling, I was in the yoga sessions continuous ಆಗಿ. ನಾನು 10 ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಯೋಗ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. After school,
Nice.
after joining PU and doing medical, I got a bit sidetracked. Time ಸಿಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So right now, since I'm a bit free, I really want to rejoin. So, hey, if you want to join your sessions, how do we do that?
So basically now we can Google form ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, whoever is interested, and they have to fill in the form to just ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಕ್ಕೆ if they're intermediate or advanced or beginner level ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. And they can fill in the form. They'll have an interview, basic interview, just to know about Hit Yoga, and we can get to know about them. Adamele they'll start the session. Every month it is there, Monday to Friday. So it's 5:45 a.m. to 6:45 a.m. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ. Now we want people to wake up early morning and practice yoga. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. So that's one thing. The pricing is 2,499 rupees only. It's for a month, and the weekends also we will have sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm so sorry, there's water leaking on my terrace. Oh my god. Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
Oh my god. One second. Okay, I can't sit there. I'm so sorry. This is the most comic scene I've had when I've been live. Oh god. Okay, so I'll call my
First,
Nidhi.
everything.
Nidhi. Switch off Mado, please. Okay, that was funny.
Everything.
Okay. Okay, I'm just sitting here otherwise. Why is my camera so zoomed out? One ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay, yeah, zoomed in. Yeah. So ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, so the pricing is just 2,499 rupees only, and it is every month, Monday to Friday.
Right.
And Saturdays you'll have workshops as well related to complicated asanas or pranayama, or if the beginners want to learn more, they can come together and practice with me and Hitesh and everybody of Hit Yoga team.
Definitely, I think I'm going to join very soon because ನನ್ನ routine ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ change ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿತು. I used to sleep at around 4:30, 4:45 and get up very late in the morning. So I think it's time I get back to my routine in the mornings. ಈ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ. So
True.
I'll
I'm not
definitely get
changing
back
the
to
day.
it.
I'm sorry to cut you off, but I would like to also add that it changes your day, you know. ನೀವ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ you'll be so energized to do so many things that ನೀವ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ that on another normal day you might not end up doing everything, but here ನೀವ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. You will do everything for yourself and for others, and you'll just be in a good mood. Nidhi,
Yes.
I'm so sorry. I don't like seeing water getting wasted. ನನಗ್ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I don't want to cut you off as well.
That's okay. That's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Yeah, so that's what. So everybody should practice yoga is what I say. They can do a lot of other activities as well, but yogaನು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು. And okay, ಇವಾಗ to the common people ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ there will be a different atmosphere. ಅವ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ, and all that notions ಇದೆ. What do you have to say? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ do you feel absolutely normal like every one of us?
In the sense, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ? ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಮಗೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಒರೆಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್, I mean, it's ನಮ್ಗ್ ಹಂಗ್ ಬೆಳ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ, so we usually do it without them asking as well. So 3 ಜನ ಇದೀವಿ, we take turns, we have a timetable. ಮಂಡೇ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಧಿ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ವೈಭವಿ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಸಂಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ ನಾವ್ 3 ಜನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ, ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಆಲ್ ದಟ್. So yeah, there's
Wow,
nothing,
that's
no special treatment. Only on birthday maybe ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ special treatment ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, but the rest of the days it's all normal.
so. Recently, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಜೈ ಜಗದೀಶ್ sir was in the Big Boss house. How
Yes.
much did you miss him during that point of time? And ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ when ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಜಗಳ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, or when he was feeling emotional? How was the reactions at home?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಅಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಗೆ 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಸೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಅವ್ರು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಸೋಮಾರ್ಪೇಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒನ್ ವೀಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 3-4 days, ಬಟ್ 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕುಡ್ ವಾಚ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆನ್ ಟಿವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಆ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಏನೋ ಗೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಪೇನ್ಫುಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇವನ್ ಕ್ರೈಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ವೇರ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅರ್ಪಿತಾ ಅಕ್ಕ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಕ್ರೈಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಟಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ನಾವ್ 3 ಜನ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸೀನ್, ಯು ನೋ, ವಿ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್, ಫೇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡೀಸ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೀಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಇಸ್. ಅವ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಪ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಪ ಇದಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಪ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಹಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಫೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಹೀಸ್ ಡನ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಅವರು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And ಈಗ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಶೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ he was a part of that show, right? So it was a big thing for him and us. And it was cute
Right.
watching Appa because he's so papa.
Yes, it was definitely ತುಂಬಾ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ರು ಶೋನಲ್ಲಿ. He showed what he is. ಅವ್ರು ಫೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನನ್ಗಂತೂ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ. ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ನಿಮಗ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ವುಡ್ ಯು ಗೋ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್? ವುಡ್ ಯು ಸೇ yes? Or
Not
ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
really. I
already-
don't know. At time, I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know how Appa even said yes and went to that house because it's really hectic. But ನಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್. ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಹೆಂಗೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್, ಯು ನೋ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ, ಸೊ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಮ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
Well, things are looking interesting, I hope, and definitely we would love to see you in the house.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
And ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ film, the 3 of you did together, all the 3 sisters. How was that experience? You know, because I don't think ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ any family, all 3 sisters or 2 sisters doing a film together, that too your launch film. How was the experience?
So basically ನಾವ್ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, it was a record, to be honest, that one family director and the 3 daughters are getting launched, and we were the 3rd generation as well. So it was a big thing for ನಮ್ಗೆ. It was a record created. And with my sisters getting launched, now 3 ಜನ, we have always been together in so many things, you know, experience wise. And ಇದ್ ನಾವ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ನಮ್ 3 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ. And it was beautifully taken. The process was beautiful. ನಮ್ 3 ಜನನ, nobody was felt more, you know, like less or ಅಥವಾ they didn't feel like ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 ಜನಕ್ಕೂ it was equally given. You know, the process was beautiful, and I thank my mom and the entire team, the crew of Yana, to make it more beautiful. And yes, we did have fights behind the screen, you know, behind the whatever the BTS time, but it was fun. We 3 got to learn a lot. I could see how vibe we, if ever one scene kotre, how she would enact, on Nidhi one scene kotre, how she would. It was already a learning process. You know, ನಮ್ 3 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ my sisters used to come and tell me, ಸಿರಿ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ, ನೀನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡು, ಇಟ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಬೆಟರ್, ಅಥವಾ ನೀನ್ ಈ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊ ಮುಖ, ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್. And they always to give us tips. So it was very sweet of all of us, is what I say. And it was very special. No, I don't think nobody would have ever got this. We got this, and it is the greatest gift that my parents could give us. Yeah.
Definitely, because ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ even your mom, who is now doing one amazing serial ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and even till this day being active for so many years. How is
Yeah.
that an inspiration for you because you're just starting out. ನಿಮ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, how much do
Yeah.
you want to
So
work
to be
ಈ
honest, the fact
ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ
that Appa
ಬರ್ಬೇಕು
Amma
ಅನ್ನೋ
still, sorry, I'm getting a table and coming because I'm using my hand. What a blunder, that water, but still. Okay. So ನಮ್ ತಾಯಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ she's been directing for a while, huh? So and once she finished, hold on, sit down. Okay, I'm back in action. So yeah, so Nam Tai was busy directing for a while, and she didn't get to act, or she didn't get time to be an actor. She was busy being the captain of the ship. So ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ nobody knew, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಲವ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನಮಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆರ್ಯವರ್ಧನ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟಿವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಚ್ ಆನ್ ಟಿವಿ, it's a great learning lesson for me because she's played so many characters as young heroine, as a middle-aged mother, now playing Aryavardhan's mom. She has a lot of weightage as well to carry for her character, and she's doing a great job. I'm so proud of you, mommy.
We are definitely proud of her. And ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ when you see so much success around you, and ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಣ್ಣವರಿದ್ದಾಗಿಂದಾನು you're a part of the industry. Have you ever been, ನಿಮಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓ ಗಾಡ್, ನಾನು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀನಿ. And how's it been?
My own launch, I mean, of course, every single time ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕವಳಿಂದಾನು ನಾವು 3 ಜನ, maybe one, with time we could walk around. Now film set we've been seeing the big camera, how it looks, and we're like, wow. And the actors ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, and for them they're like, hey ಪುಟ್ಟಿ, ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ ಮಾಮ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಬಂದನ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Just a beautiful experience when you can watch such stars ನಮ್ ಕಣ್ ಮುಂದೆ, and they also talk to us very nicely. ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So and they've been in our house, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ, ಮೈಸೂರು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ತರಾನೇ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಂಗೆ one moment where I felt starstruck, was ನನ್ ಮೂವಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಟೈಮ್, when they launched us 3 in the industry. ಅವಾಗ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ ಮಾಮ and ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ sir had come launches, and I was like, I was just starstruck that time. It was my launch, but the fact that all of them were there, it was the best feeling ever. Trust me. And I thank my parents to give me that opportunity to be around such great stars, So ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yeah.
So as you were saying, ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. If you had to say one word about them, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ?
Okay, ಸರಿ. Okay.
ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಸರ್.
Crazy.
Ambi sir.
He's a baby. Mogu.
Vishnu sir.
Respect. I have like high respect.
Your dad.
Nam appa. Cutie.
Sudeep sir.
Sudeep sir. How do I say this? Rock star. I think he's crazy, like that way, rock star.
Yash.
Yash, he's legend. He's killing it. Oh my God, dude, my God, he's killing it. He's a star. He's a star of the world right now.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು. And
Darshan sir, he's like a panther. I think he's more of a panther, like, that side one the animal will be just staring at everybody in the corner. I think that's him, panther. Yeah.
True. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ who would you want to star opposite? ನಿಮಗೆ opportunity ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, open opportunity, who's your dream hero to work with?
Why don't you take a guess? Wild guess, just guess.
Sudeep sir?
I wish, but no. My dream, I mean, he's obviously in my list. I can't say no to that. ಬಟ್ ಒಬ್ರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವ್ ಆ ಹೆಸರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನಂಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ.
Okay.
ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಹೇಳಾ?
Who's that? Huh?
ಹಾ,
Yes,
ಹೇಳಾ?
please.
Okay, my favorite, my first love and forever, Apu sir, Puneet Rajkumar sir. I would love to do a
Oh,
movie with him. If I do a movie with him, one movie ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, I think I'll be fine and happy for my rest of my life, I think. It is a dream.
I
I
think,
also wanted to, nana pahadom, the mountains atra, waterfalls atra. I just want to romance and sing some nice songs to him.
and of course to dance with him. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ dance ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
How can I forget? Of course, I would love to dance and shake a leg with him. Definitely. Definitely. Oh my God. Oh, ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ? It was so good. Power in you.
yes, yes. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ 10 years I think we are progressing in a very good rate. ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ವೈಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ ರೀಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಟಕ್ಕರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ KGF ಇಡೀ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್? ಹೇಗ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
Of course, Kannada industry, I think post 2006 has ತುಂಬಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇವನ್ ದ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲಿ ಡನ್. ದ ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲವ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ಸ್, DOPs ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಲೈನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಹೀರೋ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ doing a good job. And KGF is the live example of our industry right now. Hero agirbodu, kate agirbodu, what we're showcasing to the world. Nam Kannada industry is not what it was 10 years ago, and we are competing equally with Telugu, Tamil. And first of all, hege ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳೋದು, we are Kannada industry, Telugu industry, Bollywood, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, we're all together. We are Indian cinema. And Kannada industry also is a part of it now. They are equally great to other industries. And I'm super proud to be a part of this industry. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And you see, in another few years, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ if you see so many of ನಮ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ actors, ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ they're shining so well. So that shows how much our industry has grown, and I'm very proud of it, seriously. Lots more to offer from our industry, and jana bari opportunity ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ audience ನಮ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ they'll really see how great we are, how great Kannada industry is. And the opportunity, and I would like to add this, Bengaluru, there's a lot of other cinemas coming. Karnataka Hindi ಬರುತ್ತೆ, English ಬರುತ್ತೆ, different languages, but Kannadagu ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು the Kannada audience should come and watch it and take other people in Bangalore city and go watch Kannada movies. ಆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ KGF ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ದುಬೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಟೀಸರ್ ನ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ the beauty of our industry, that yes, Kannada industry ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ I'm sure we will do great, more, better.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು. And who is your dream director to work with? ನೀವಿಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ who do you want to work with the most?
Oh my God, the question. Oh my God, okay. It's a big line and tumba listed. I don't want to pick one, but to be honest,
you can give at least 3-4 names ಕೊಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ you can give.
but ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು once in my Yogaraj. I think he's very quirky and fun with his movies. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ I would love to even do the movie with Suri sir, because our complete genre is different, our cinemaನೆ like it's very intense and dark and two different genres, so ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ರ ಜೊತೆ I would definitely, our ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಬೆಳ್ದಿರೋದು ನಾವು, so it just feels very nice to, and I hope, keeping my fingers crossed. Yeah. 1 second, hold
Definitely.
on. Thank you. Yeah, I'm coming. Hello. Yeah.
Yes. We hope that ನಿಮ್ಮ your dreams do come true, and ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. We would love to see you again on the big screen soon. And
Thank you.
Coming to a few questions, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರದ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ವೈಸಿರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ would you like to say? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ?
I think ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. I keep putting up stories and they know everything about me. Um, there's nothing that I've hidden. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. I mean, if you particularly ask me ಏನಿದು ಇದೇನ್ one thing ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I might be like, oh ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. But I think my audience knows most of it. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ, ನನ್ನ ಶೂಟ್, what else I'm doing, everything, you know. But I don't think there's one thing I've said it out, but I would like to add today is Nanu e Jan 2020 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I started working in a company called Phase One. It's an event company, and
Yes.
that also I got to learn a lot from that place. You know, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ events ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ friends and family ಜೊತೆ, but when I joined that company, you know, I kind of learned more, you know, about events, and that company is lit. Sir, you know, Om sir ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, and he is class, the best. So that was an experience I really hold special in this 2020 year, because it was completely out of my comfort zone, and I went there and tumba chanagittu. I really learned a lot. So that's one thing maybe if people don't know, you know, that I was working there for a year. And lockdown I too, so I was working from home, so I was like, oh god, like no office and stuff. But yeah, that's one thing that people don't know. They just think that I'm acting and I'm busy doing shoots, but there's more to it, what I'm working on. Yeah.
Definitely. I think ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್, there's more to a star than what his or her social media ತೋರ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Because social media ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ everything is out there in the open, and but still ಒಂದು personal space ಅಂತ I think even every actor or every professional will maintain, including you. I think ಒಂದು to an extent share ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು, but I don't think everything should be put out there, because ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. How do you feel social media has changed ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು?
You know, I actually want to add this one thing. I'm going to get up and then, okay, because there's no light here. So I'm going to sit in a point where you can see me correctly, and I'm going to answer this question to you, okay? I'm so sorry about this lighting. If that water problem was not there, I would definitely been sitting in one place. But I'm just running around. One day, Nimsha, okay?
Yes, no issue.
Thank you so much. I don't know the light. Okay, yes. I'm back in another position.
Yes.
So what I was saying, even ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ I was thinking, okay, thank you so much. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ how social media has changed everything for everybody. ನಾವು ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಂಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಸಿ, ಯು ನೋ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಆನ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಸೋ ವೆಲ್, ಯು ನೋ. ಡಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್, ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್, directing, camera work, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, everybody is getting an opportunity thanks to social media. Yes, social media ಗೆ ups and downs ಇದೆ. It's up to you how you use it, but then it's an opportunity given to you, you know, at the end of the day, a beautiful opportunity for everybody. It's up to you how to use it. So that's what I'm telling you. Okay.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು, because through social media I got in touch with you, and ನಾವ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಲೈವ್ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. I think there's always a positive and a negative, like two sides of a coin ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. How do you deal with trolling? ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಫೇಸ್
ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ನನಗೆ ಜನ ಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೀ, ಆರ್ ದೇ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯುನೋ ಹೋಗಿ ಓ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳು, ಓ ಇವಳು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳ, ಓ ಒಂದ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ದೇ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೀ, ನೋ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. I mean, if it's something very pokey about my family, then ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. But if it's about me, then I really don't mind, you know. In this world right now, you have to take the pluses and minuses, you know. So ನನಗೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. If people want to troll me, why not? It's fine. ನನಗೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
That's great, because you know, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ who are new to social media, ಅಥವಾ a lot of stars, they just post and not react, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದು ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, because they don't know how, you know, they don't know how to react to certain things. ಸೊ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ
Reaction ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು, that those people are the ones who really want a reaction and react ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು. There's so many comments on my pictures ಅಥವಾ video ಹಾಕ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, they keep commenting. I choose not to reply to them, ಗೊತ್ತಾ, because there's so much more important. There are so many people ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಂತಾರೆ ವಿ ಲವ್ ಯು. ಇವತ್ತಾನೆ ಒಬ್ರು ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವಸರ ಹಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ತೆಲುಗು ಅವರು, ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಹಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನಂತಾರೆ I'll react to that, I'll feel happy. But ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ I'll be like, oh, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರ, okay, he took time to type something about me, fine ಅಂತ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. And everyone should do that. Not really be
kudos to you. Yes, kudos to you for that, because ನನಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು when I initially started the shows. There were certain comments which I used to get irritated with, but I then understood I should focus more on my show than the comments which are coming negatively. And allinda illivargu I think it's been a good journey, especially ivaglu ashte there are loads of amazing comments that are coming through for you.
I didn't even think part of them were being so bad. Hi guys, hi all of you. See, our other audience. Sorry?
Tumba ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ comments ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. From London. There are comments from London, from Dubai.
Wow. Wow, hi all of you, all over the world. Hello.
Amazing to see this.
That's so sweet of everybody. Hello guys.
So, from different time zones, they're joining through social media. Sorry? From different time zones across the world, on live nodake they're joining in andre truly amazing. Thank you so much for all the audience. I think this is what keeps people like us growing. As long as we have audience who want to watch what we're trying to say, we're truly blessed, and ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ we will keep the work going. And just like you have been, ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ active ಇದ್ದೀರಾ social media ಅಲ್ಲಿ, through it be your reels or through for your yoga and your daily lives, you've been active, you've been available to your audience, so that is a good thing that you're doing.
Yes, that we should be. Even that's how social media is. One more plus point of social media, ನಮ್ ಜನಗಳ ಜೊತೆ, we can be more active with them. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ you could never meet them or contact them or tell them. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, even if it is Varun Dhawan for example, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವೇನಂತಾರೆ ಯಶ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, I message him. ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೋ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ I'll tell him, sir, ಈ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡ್ದೆ, ವಾವ್ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಇದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. I text him. I make sure they'll know, because the happiness I get, when ನನ್ನ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಯಾನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's what another plus point of social media, that you can actually come closer by communicating on social media, So that's good. I'm happy, thanks to social media, that we connected, see.
Definitely. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ, even I'm very thankful. And because how has it changed before being an actor to after that? ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಜನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಚೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿದಾಗ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಹೌ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆಚೆ ಹೋದಾಗ, ನೀವು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದಾಗ, when people tell that to me, I was like, oh god, people are actually doing things, and I was so happy. How has it been for you? ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದರ when you're going out for shopping, ಜನ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿದಾಗ, how did you feel?
Definitely. I mean, to be honest, ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, when I was a little younger also, ಅವಾಗ ಜನ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ನಂಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಜೈ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳು, ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳು, ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಅವ್ರ ಕಸಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗ್ ನೋಡೋರು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು when they see me, they be like, oh, ವೈಸಿರಿ ಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. That's the difference, but it feels great that to be recognized in the middle of a crowd, it's an honor that their hard work, it's been recognized. So I just feel happy. I just smile at them, and I don't, some people don't like taking pictures or talking to them. They just go off. But naanilla nintkondu, I try giving. I talk to everybody. I make sure I comment. Yara comment ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, I like their comments. Because, they're taking 1 minute of their time and they're trying to tell you, that you're good. You're good at what you're doing, or we recognize you. So what we should do is just appreciate it and thank them. And I thank God. That's all. I just have a lot of gratitude. That's it.
And I think ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ, it feels amazingly, blessed to know feeling ಬರುತ್ತೆ when people recognize you for the work you've done.
Yeah, definitely.
So coming back to a few discussions ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಮೂರ್ ಜನ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. How are each one of you different from each other, or what are the common points that you have with each other? ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
Okay, I'm going to give 2 points with each topic, aita. So one
Right.
thing common between three of us is that we love food.
Yeah.
That's there. And we love cinema, drama, entertainment. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೂವಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಊಟ ಬಗ್ಗೆ we just love it. So we're always together about it. What we're not common about it, maybe our interests, like, I mean, there's nothing like that. That's the best part. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ, example, I'm interested or I like something about yoga ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, I just give them knowledge about it from my side. Same thing, Nidhi is so good with her fitness, like her workouts, adella, she's like the best out of the three in the workouts kododu. I'll be like, Nidhi ene madodu heಳು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ab workout kodu, core exercise kodu ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ she'll give me some workout. So that way she is good at that. Then Vibe, of course, I'm like, akka, I need some eyeshadow, heng makeup ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೇಳು please, I need to look a little retro today, and she'll be like, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. So we three have different interests, so but we come together at home and we just teach each other so that everybody learns ashte. So that way we just keep ourselves together. But we do fight, and when we fight, we are just psychos. We fight badly, but we love each other very nicely as well.
So who is the bigger
I-
prankster? ಮೂರ್ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ
Prankster, I think Amma.
Oh.
It's not us three, but prankster, I think it's me only. Or Nidhi, I don't know. We three are not. We don't do pranks and all, but we take each other's cases when we have to, and I think Vibe is good with that. Yeah, she's the
So-
one that.
Right. So who's the favorite daughter? ಮೂರ್ ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ who's the parents ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ passion ನಿಮಗೆ?
Partial ಅಂದ್ರೆ partial in which way? Like ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನನಗೆ, but ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು I think Vibe. Yeah, Vibe. But then the fact that I do a lot of things at home, I mean, they be like, Siri, ad madu, id madu ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So that way my dad love. I mean, I can't say this on live. Oh my God. No, my parents and my grandmom loves all three, but I take this opportunity to say that I think they love me more than them. There's nothing wrong in it, I think.
Nothing wrong.
Yeah. But I love
Amazing.
they love me. Huh?
ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Why can't the three of you sisters start a show similar to the Kardashians?
I think that's gonna be why not? I don't know if we should. I don't know. Everybody's asked us this. ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನದಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಂತ. But ನೋಡೋಣ. Let's see how interested people are. Maybe I'll put a poll. Let's see how they will.
And I think all three of you are, you have your own schedules, you're busy doing your work. And I think adondu a project I think should be in the timeline for the three of you.
ನಮ್ದು ಯಾನ ಆಮೇಲೆ we three have literally split 3 ways and we're doing our own stuff. So once we get time to come together, we will definitely come and do something good, even if it is this show what they're saying, or if it's another ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, we might come together. But right now we're just focusing on so many things. We have other commitments which we need to complete. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. But we will definitely come. I'm sure it'll be a good reunion on screen.
Definitely. Who is the more of a pet person? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ pets ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ?
Nidhi, I don't have to think or blink. It's Nidhi. Nidhi, she loves every animal possible. Oh God. ನಾಯಿಗಳು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು she'll be like jumping on them. That's Nidhi. ನನಗೆ ಅದು opposite. I'll be like, oh cute ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, but I can't go on the ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಪ್ಕೊಂಡು and all. I can't have some OCD issues, and the little big dogs will ಭಯ ನಂಗೆ.
Okay, I think today also you had stories with the dog.
Yeah, ನಮ್
And
ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆ
You
ನಾಯಿ
wanted to, and the reactions I saw, it was very funny also. It was damn cute to look at.
Yeah, so she will go touch it and pet it and all. I'll just be like, Chelsea, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. But I'm a little ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ. But yeah.
Do you have a pet at home?
No, we had a like ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ ನಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ ಬಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಕುರುಡಿ ಅಂತ we had called ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ because other dogs had
Okay.
bit its eye and that's the only dog which didn't have a proper one eye. So the, I mean not to
Okay.
offend the dog but that's how we could just tell, and the entire area everybody used to call it kurudi. It just died like what 2-3 months ago, lockdown time ಅಲ್ಲಿ, and we had a small ಇದು. but ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ pets ಇಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನೀವ್ 3 ಜನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಶೂಟ್ಗೆ, ನಾ 3 ಜನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ and that too, amma papa, they don't like the fact of losing pets, you know, at once. That's a very sad moment. So they'll like experience ಬೇಡ, ನೀನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೆಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ, ಆಟ ಆಡೋರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So we also are like, okay, fine. But soon, maybe soon, I don't know when that day will come, and I'll put it on my story, you'll see.
Definitely. I had a big discussion with my parents today.
Okay.
Beda. Experience hai beda. I love dogs. I think I'm like Nidhi. I love dogs.
Okay.
And but
You should get
parents
one.
are problem. You know, क्या college के ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. So I'm like,
Yeah,
okay.
it is a responsibility. ಒಂದ್ ಮಗು ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮನೇಲಿ, ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾಯಿ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗಟ್ಟಿ ಹತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ they'll tell you that hello I need somebody to come around ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್
Yeah.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಿ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು. And that is when I understood, because ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕದೆ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟ್ನ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
True.
And so I'm being practical. So
It's always ಹೇಳಿ. I'm sorry, I was looking down because I saw some people's comments. I was just reading them. ಹೇಳಿ.
yes, I think ತುಂಬಾ comments ಬರ್ತದೆ. We'll take it in another 10 minutes after we finish our discussion. I think ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ನಿಮಗೆ questions ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I would love to
So
reply them. I don't know. I don't want them to think that we're ignoring them. I mean, sorry guys, I love you too.
yes,
We
yes,
did that, ma'am.
ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡ.
ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 28th, I think I was there, ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ
Yes,
ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಹೊಸ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ವಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಅ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಆನ್ ಮಮ್ಮ ಸೆಟ್.
right.
ಎನಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೋ
Any
ಕಮ್?
news shows?
ಇಲ್ಲ, right now I'll let you know guys, there's something, so many things coming up. 2021 is all about us, you know, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಾಗ ಅನ್ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So you guys will know.
Definitely looking forward to that. And yeah, one quick rapid fire ಆಡೋಣ.
Yes, let's do this.
Okay, coffee or tea?
Coffee any day.
Ice cream at Corner House or any other place in Bangalore?
Corner House, the butterscotch one with the brownie and that hot fudge. Oh my god, I think I want to go eat that after this.
I just came back from Corner House, by the way.
Oh god, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದೆ, so I'm gonna go, I think. Get fat after that.
Definitely. Oh, ಹೌದು. ತಿನ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ and then to the guilt of eating it, and then later we have to go work out and like go reduce everything.
Yeah. But what I've learned
Like,
is I want to give you a tip, guys. If you guys want to eat, no, tinni. Ice cream tintira, ice cream tinni. But you know what you do? Take a friend or take a sister or take your sibling or somebody or your parents at the bun, but you share it. So you get to eat 2-3 spoons, but you're giving it to everybody as well, and you're spreading love, and you're getting to eat what you want to eat. And you're not feeling guilty that you ate so much of it. That's what I do nowadays, you know. ಮುಂಚೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಒಬ್ಳೆ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. Now I go, I'm like ನಿಧಿ ಬಾರೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ಅಂತ. So we both go eat. Or ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ, I go eat with her. So ತಿಂದಂಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತಿಂದಿದಂಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yeah, that's a tip, guys. Remember that. Whoever's trying to lose weight, do
yeah,
not eat. Eat,
yeah,
but ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ.
true. I also, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. We just had and came back.
ಏನ್ ತಿಂದ್ರಿ?
And I had a DBC. That's my ultimate
DBC,
everything.
but I can't finish the DBC. It's too much. It's too much
Our
for me.
chocolate, the chocolate sauce in Corner House is like, I don't think there is any replacement for it.
I'm so sorry, my neck just acted funny. Yes, I heard that. I heard that the chocolate sauce you were saying.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think Adhikon supplement I have not found till now. So that's one thing for me.
Definitely. Same here. But yeah, I like
So, okay,
Haley.
continuing with the rapid fire. Next question. Hillside or beach?
Beach. I'm a beach babe. ಯಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಇಂಡೋ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ವುಡ್ ಯು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಟು ಬೀನ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬೋತ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಮೂಡ್ ಇಂಡೋ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕುರ್ತಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದ್ ಬಿಂದಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎನಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ even a boy sherwani kurta hakonbitre you know that it just this is wow so Indian wear I think it's comfortable yet beautiful.
Sunshine or rain?
Sunshine with rain with sunshine, how do I say that male bartiruvaga it should be sunny. I like that feeling. Yeah,
That's
but
a good
rain.
answer.
I know, right? Thank you. I wish I could be the weather goddess to get that weather every day.
But ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ it's all cloudy and it's a very nice weather. But
Yeah,
difficult to get up in the morning. Such an amazing
of
weather
course,
nowadays
of
in
course.
Bangalore.
It's very difficult, but we have to. Come on, guys, let's do it. Early to bed, early to rise. Okay, never mind. Really, next question.
So traveling or uh, what could I give you an option? Okay, traveling ishtapadtira or would you prefer just a small holiday with your parents or with your family?
Both of them are traveling, so I love traveling, so I choose traveling. If you give me a chance, I'll just go around the world. I love traveling. My sister and I, both of us love traveling, so travel. Work wise, holiday wise, chill ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, relax ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, stress free, ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ, everything, just travel.
Favorite holiday destination?
I've not been there, but I would love to go to Greece or Switzerland, definitely. But I think Mysore or, of course, a little of Goa maybe. But yeah, it just makes you stress free, so I like it there.
Right. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ which is your best holiday? Which is your most memorable holiday?
I've had a lot of good ones. I think it was my dad's 60th birthday. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂರ್ಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕಾರಿಕೊಪ್ಪಗೆ and the entire family was there. ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಇದ್ರು like ನಮ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಳು and then ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಳು grandparents everybody like some 100 people were there. This is obviously before COVID. So that was a memorable experience. Appa also was very happy and emotional. So I think that one was very special. It was a nice holiday as well.
Bungee jumping or scuba diving? Nice question.
Scuba diving. I think I would do that. I'm excited. Actually, I've always wanted to do that, so I think scuba diving definitely. But I will try both of them. That's a wrong question, guys. Why are you asking?
Yeah.
What is that question? Gangster triples 000077. It's RCB only. Only.
Any day.
Only. CSK or may not even CSK, only Dhoni. Yeah.
So cricket follow ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Do you like watching?
I do follow. Yeah.
Who's your favorite player?
Currently it's Virat Kohli. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. But if you ask me about the legends, I like Dhoni, I like Rahul Dravid. Yeah, I think let's keep it to these players. I don't want to go international level, but Indians, there's so many good players. Why should I pick a international player?
Sandalwood Ali, your favorite actor and actress?
I think I gave you that answer. One is Puneet Rajkumar, and there's Yash, Sudeep. Everybody is great. I don't have to say anything. But my little soft corner is Puneet Rajkumar. I've just been mesmerized by him. I don't know why. So him, and then heroine Ali, Radhika Pandit.
Right.
I love her. Role model.
Going to Bollywood. Favorite actor, favorite actress?
actress is Priyanka Chopra, but hero there's lot Shah Rukh Khan. Let's stick to Shah Rukh Khan. ನಾನು ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋದು ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅವ್ರ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲ್ ಇನ್ love because of Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, yes. And same here. Shah Rukh is ever favorite.
Yeah,
So,
forever. Nobody can not like him.
yeah, I know, right? Oh my God, thank you. Uh,
Same
veg
feeling.
or non-veg? Yes.
Pure non-vegetarian. But I'm trying to be a veg soon, you know. Tumba Christmas time and my birthday, December started till last week. I've been eating a lot of non-veg in the sense, not every day, but I've been eating it. So I suddenly felt like, abba, vegetarian abeku, tumba meat tinta idini anta anstu. But I'm a non-vegetarian, if you ask me generally.
Favorite dish?
ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿದು ಬೇಳೆ ಸಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರ್ಡ್ ರೈಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಿ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬೇಳೆ ಸಾರು ಅಜ್ಜಿದು ಅಂಡ್ ಮೊಸರನ್ನ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ eat and be happy. Anytime you give me, I'll eat. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, I'll eat that.
Definitely, I understand that emotion because ನಾನು ಏನೇ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಆಚೆ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. I'm doing my hotel management right now, so I'm more prone to eat outside. But still, coming back, eating ಅಮ್ಮನ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಆಲೂ ಪರಾಠ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ, I'm set.
Exactly. But if you ask me otherwise, what's your favorite you crave for? Or you know, you want to go and eat? There are two things, ramen and sushi. Like, nange noodles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. I go crazy over noodles. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ noodles ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. Even my sister. And we like sushi, yeah. So this is our, if you ask me what is it, illa mane ಊಟ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕಿ, if you say no, what is this ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll say ramen, noodles and sushi. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಊಟ.
Favorite restaurant in Bangalore?
Many, I can't say one. Many. Yeah. I can't judge one. I can't say one. There are many. I mean, it depends on the cuisine, you know. I can't judge. Yeah. But one.
Your favorite film? Right. Favorite
Sorry?
film? Kannada favorite film?
Aapte Mitra.
Yes.
You know, like last time ಯಾರೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, and I forgot to tell because then ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ. And then I was like, shit, ಎಂತ ಮೂವಿ. I've gone to the theater and watched it 16 times in a week.
Oh.
ಲೈಕ್ 10 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಐ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಚ್ ದ ಮೂವಿ, ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೈ, ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮೂವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಐ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಚ್ ಇಟ್.
Definitely, same here, because ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋದಾಗ I felt very scared. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ I became so addicted to it. I started drawing it and I started dancing also on that Rara song. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. It's an amazing film.
Very nice, very nice. ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಸರ್, ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ರಮೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೂವಿ ಅದು. I have nothing to say about it. I just so much to ಮಾತ್ರ start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I don't think I'll stop about it. It's a beautiful movie. And the new generation have to go watch that movie, guys. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿಲ್ವೋ ಆಪ್ತ ಮಿತ್ರ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ. Yes, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು. And Hindi, Bollywood films are you? Which is your favorite film?
Lots, again, I don't know which one to say, but recently to be honest, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು where I watched it again in the theater. Like, I like movies where ನಾನು ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ. I like those movies more, you know. I think ಅಂಧಾಧುನ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅಂಧಾಧುನ್ I watched it like 3 times again in a week. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಬಾ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಂಧಾಧುನ್. If not that, for evergreen again is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Oh God!
Don't judge me.
I am not. I am the same. Oh my God! I still cry. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ.
High five. It's the best movie. It does have everything in it. Yes.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Kal Ho Na Ho. Both the films I end up crying. Even Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Kal Ho Na Ho is a little sad in the sense. Because you know Shah Rukh Khan will be like But Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum is a wholesome entertainment.
Mixture of everything.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
So, favorite pair?
Oh, it's a big division. Kannada industry la to uh,
Eradu.
let's stick to Kannada industry for now. Yash and Radhika.
Done. Yes. There are a
And
lot of questions coming. ನಾನು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು
yeah,
audience
let's
questions.
answer them. Come on, let's look at them, Papa. I don't want to ignore them. Chicken or mutton or fish? Fish and mutton, both of them, I think. Mutton.
Bedtime or kitchen? Okay.
Bedtime?
Or kitchen? What is that? I didn't understand the question, but okay.
You like bedtime or kitchen? I don't know, guys. Both. Let's say both. City or
Favorite drink?
huh?
Favorite drink?
Favorite drink? I like Virgin Mojito. I think that's a safe drink, you know. Like
Yes.
it's very refreshing. Yet it's safe. There's no, you know, that blue color adding or the fruit. Then other, it's just safe. Yeah, Mojito. I like that. Modern or
Right.
traditional? I like both, guys. Depends on my mood.
City or village?
Tough question again. City girl. But I would love to go to a village and stay there for some time. But I'm sure city will call me back. ಸಿರಿಗೆ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ತಿಂಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ ನಂಗೆ ವೆಜ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. Single or committed, guys? I'm very much single, happy and single. Hi, you look okay. Asked 20 times. Okay, sorry, I answered it right now.
Yes,
I love.
that's the part that we so sorry for not answering your questions.
Yeah,
But
we
ಇವಾಗ
were
ನಾವು
talking about
ಎಲ್ಲ
Shah Rukh
ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ
Khan and Yash.
Yes.
I think we answered all of them right now, right? Your childhood pet name: Siri, Putki, Kaddi, Sigidi Meenu, Sigidi. Yeah.
Jayanagar or Vivipuram?
Huh?
Jayanagar or
I think
Vivipuram?
so both the areas are very far from my house. So ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಶೂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. So I really don't know much about Jayanagar and Vivipuram. I can't pick one. You ask me anything in
think
north of Bengal. I think
yes. Not
New Bell Road, Sanjay Nagar area. I like that area. That's my area.
right.
What is this? Don't you think KHF?
KG. KGF2 is equal to legend. Yes.
Of course, 100%. We don't have to say anything about. I agree completely. Your favorite channel. Huh? Sorry?
ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಕಲಿಯೋಕೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದ್ಲು?
ಮನೇಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ we were all at home, so you know I kind of like removed all the old stuff which I just kept it inside at beka bed, and I was just checking and cleaning stuff. That I did. I practiced a lot of yoga. That's when I actually felt like with ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು because and secondly I started doing a lot of other things as well, because films ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ I realized was not the only thing I should keep as a career. I should do a lot. So I started learning or working on a lot of things, networking or talking to people. ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ. Other than that, I stayed at home. Of course, we could not go out, but I spent a lot of time with my family, my sisters, and we watched a lot of movies.
Right.
Yeah. I think everybody did that. I'm sure. Yeah, that's it.
Your dad's favorite film. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ತಂದೆಯವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಯಾವ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ?
I think Gali Matu and Palitamsha. Yeah, they're good ones. But
Right.
Bandanali, I felt very bad. I felt like punching my dad. Bandanadali, seriously. I was like, why? Let them go, be happy. What is your problem, Dad? But yeah, actually now Chikkoradaga we used to feel bad that they used to Appa used to play villain character and all, no? So ತುಂಬಾ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಹೊಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗಲ್ಲ I used to feel very bad, and we used to be like, ಮಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಂತಾರೆ your dad got hit on screen ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. then later we grew up to get, we got to know, we understood that how a negative shade character, is so important in a movie, and it is not a joke to play that character. Hero, that's easy, you're just good, and like, but negative shade is a crazy character. It's challenging character to play, and my dad killed it.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು it's a huge opportunity as well as a huge challenge to play all sorts of roles ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಲನ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. Different
True.
genres are a challenge to any actor.
That's the thing. An actor, if he gets to play a lot of different characters, I think that's the best gift for them. Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
How I'm asking a childhood. I was looking at the people, what they're saying. I don't want to miss out on any question.
Yes.
Long walk or long drive? I think drive. I enjoyed. Not like I'm
Yes.
lazy, but I like long drives. Play
Long
music.
drives ಖಂಡಿತ. Yes. Definitely.
Yeah. Your
Do you
favorite
like
food?
dancing?
Sorry?
Are you a dancing? Do you prefer dancing or partying?
What is the question? I like dancing. Yeah, definitely. I love dancing. I'm a dancer, so I love dancing. Definitely. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. I love dancing.
And we've lost in ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we've lost a lot of people ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ throughout the nation, in the industry and outside the industry because of the pandemic ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. What would you like to say? ಇವಾಗ ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಹಾಗೆ we've lost so many wonderful actors. ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾತುಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಬಾಲಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು.
To be honest, ನಾನು actors ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. There's so many families, who have lost people, of different careers or different profession, like army, ಅಥವಾ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, maybe doctors itself or anybody. ನಾನು ಬರೀ actors ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Maybe actors are put on the news, but then the rest of them are not. And our family ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. So that way when I see, I'm sure every individual who's lost their life and the family who's lost them, ಅವ್ರು I just say, you guys have got brave hearts, stay strong, and ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Once you've lost them, you can't say much. You can't, I don't know for what reasons they've not there with us anymore. But then you just gotta stay strong. The family's gotta stay strong. And ನನಗೂ ಬೇಜಾರಾಯ್ತು. I was actually, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ ಮಾಮ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂತು. Vibhi was crying and she called me and she's like, ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ ಮಾಮ ತೀರೋದ್ರು. And I was like what? Like, I still can't forget that moment, and he's always been there in our lives, and it is so difficult now that he's not there. Heng nodad ನಾವು, there's so many events that we go to and he's there, and he got that, that big rock is not there in front of our eyes. It is very hurting. So that way, I'm sure a lot of other families also would have gone through the same. So it's a circle of life, guys. ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Like, I mean, we just got to respect that and stay strong and just see what's coming and take everything in a positive note is what I can say, Ashta.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು.
But I miss everybody, whoever's not there with us anymore, definitely, and I'm sure the rest of the world does as well.
Yes, we all do. And ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ had been difficult the previous year of 2020, and hopefully this year will be much more better, much more happier for all of us. So ನಿಮ್ಮ aspirations ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆಗಳೇನಿದೆ for this year? What does Vicery want to accomplish?
This year, actually, I have a lot of things planned in my head. To be honest, this time I want to be more to my variety. I've planned the things, so many things I want to do, and I want to complete that. I want to not leave anything incomplete. Of course, I've learned something in 2020 is to be with your family no matter what, and that's this time. Now we three of sisters have planned to do a lot more with family activities and all that things. So I'll make sure that happens. And secondly, yeah, like, let's see, I want to do a lot of work in the film industry, in the entertainment industry. So I will just go dive deep down and try my level best to venture out on a lot of things. And I don't want to wait for anybody. Nane hogi, I will definitely go try and showcase my talent for them to understand and want me there. I'm not going to sit at way home and, just hope, pray, want, think. No, I'm going to go and fight. Yeah.
Exactly, because ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ನೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನೆಪೋಟಿಸಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫೇವರ್ಡ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವೇ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಜನರು ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸೇ?
The same thing. In nepotism, andre, namgu ashtenu. I mean, I'm happy that my parents are there in the industry. That way, nepotism is there in every industry. You can't just talk about film industry. I'm sure doctors would want their kids to study, study medicine and be a doctors. Or same thing in any other profession. So that way, film industry lo ide in good way and bad way. Of course, that you can't stop. It depends. Even if a great actor, okay, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ audience ಗೆ, even if is a person who's coming, he'll showcase his talent. He might not maybe get a movie being a star kid's son. But then the audience also won't accept him. So what's the point? Even a newcomer coming, if the audience accepts him, nobody will say anything. Everybody will cast him. But ನಮ್ಮ audience ಅವರೇ accept ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ it depends on everybody, and it's a luck also. Luck also must favor the person. Nepotism ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂರ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಗ ಅಥವಾ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಗ ಅಂತ ಕೂರ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, if he doesn't do anything in front of the camera won't lie. You will see it there, and the audience also can judge. And ಈಗಿನ audience they're not ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವೋ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, they're not stupid. They're all very very smart, and they ask what they want, and we also should give what they ask for. So that way it depends on every individual. It depends on the newcomers as well. Aurige maybe the only aspect where they don't get to they don't get more is the fact that they don't have a source. Like our appa or amma or director uncle yaradru irde irbahudu, so they have to fight more and try more and auditions kodbek jasti. But maybe namge, we know the industry people, so when we say do showcase our talent, we will get it. That's the only difference. But once your talent is shown to anybody, if they like you, they will take you no matter what. That's all. Yeah.
Very good. Yes. So ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಸೋದು ಏನು?
Honesty, loyalty, whatever it is. I don't lie to my friends. ನಾನು ಮುಕ್ಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. You acted stupid, you behaved rude, I will tell you, and I expect the same from you. I won't feel shy or I feel bad that ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳದ್ ನಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. I'm like, ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳು, ನಾನೇನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳು. If you don't tell, who will tell me? So I believe in that honesty. That's what I believe in.
And what are your views on things that shouldn't be done in friendship? Nimgen answer. What's the worst thing to be done when friendship or any relationship is concerned?
I think, of course, like ಒಂದ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇರೆದ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Whatever it is, it might be the same thing. ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ I'll be with you, but then in the end of the day you're not. Being with that person, or if you're telling that I will come with you or say the truth, nam munde helbodu martin, but hinde they're not doing it. It's the same thing. You can't cheat a person who you really trust. They would have trusted you so much on so many things. Cheating doesn't have to be like, you know what I mean, relationship hangala, but anything, even a friend, you'll be thinking so much, that you'll be trusting her so much, and if she ditches you on any factor, it can be anything, it is bejar agate, but that just shows how much a person actually considers you as a friend. Ashta. You got to be a good person.
Yes, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲು. Somebody is asking, show us your home with explanation. A house tour. Wow, interesting.
Definitely. I'm making a video on that. Tumba jana ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. So we want to make a video with my sisters too want to do it. So we will do that, and I will put it up on my IGTV. You can definitely see it. I'm super excited to show you guys my room and everything.
Looking forward to that, definitely. And I can't believe it's been 1 hour 10 minutes since we started talking.
I just saw that. I'm like, sorry guys.
It's been an amazing session, and the audience are still there. So, and they keep sending it up through the hearts, and then commenting so much. And it's been an amazing 1 hour 10 minutes talking to you. And ishtond matadidvi navu.
Definitely, it has been. Oh my God. It was a great conversation with you. I'm very happy. Tumma matadakittu, and I'm sure even you agreed on so many points. That's why I think we went on, Like, it was good. I really enjoyed talking to you and answering so many of their questions. I'm sorry if I missed any question, guys.
I have definitely enjoyed this conversation and would definitely again would like to connect with you. Muru Jana, I think there's a network issue. I'll wait for her to come back. Until then, thank you so much, guys, for all the questions and everything that you guys have been, showing, and for all the love that you guys are sending. Network issue. Yes. I'll add her back, guys. Please hold on for a minute. I think there's a network issue, and I will get her back, and we'll end the show soon. It's been an amazing time. Thank you guys for sticking up with us. It's been amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll wait for her to come back. Until then, if you guys have any questions and if you guys want to ask Vaisiri anything, please comment once she is back. I will get them answered. Okay. It's been 1 hour 10 minutes, as I said. It's been wonderful. And for the audience, thank you so much. Tumba questions banditu, tumba questions now answer kuda madadvi. And it's been wonderful. Thank you so much for all the questions and all, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ thanks. And I will get her back. Guys. Please hold on. I'll just get her back. I don't know what happened. Her phone battery, went off. That's why she disconnected. Her phone battery, she's going to come back. I'm waiting for her to join in. Who's this? Rakshita official. Who is this?
Hello.
Hello. And that's okay.
Sorry,
That
guys.
happens.
My battery died and my phone switched off, so I'm so sorry.
Yes. And we've
Hold on.
almost come to the discussion. So yes, she'll be back. I think network
Yeah,
issues
I'm
and phone battery issues. Yes.
Tell me. So yeah, we were on a closing note. Let's
Yes.
just
We were
I
on
don't
the
love them.
Hey Gitu, how was the show for you?
I think it was good. I think time hogite gotagilla. Good questions, so I could talk a lot on so many things. We could cover a lot of topics. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it, and we should do this sometime again soon with a lot more different questions.
Definitely, definitely we will do it, and ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. And it would be lovely to have all the three sisters sometime very soon. That will be an even more interesting discussion. So
Definitely, we'll
looking
all
forward to
plan
that.
together and come together on a on some, I don't know, random day.
Yes, we will. And we'll keep the audience posted regarding that as well.
Thank
So,
you.
Ali Vargu, we hope, both of us, me and Vaisari, hope you guys have enjoyed the session as much as we have. Thank you so much for staying throughout the show. And thank you so much, Vaisari, for coming after a
Thank
very
you so
long
much
time. We've
for
tried this
inviting me for
and
this crazy interview and giving me this opportunity to have a chat with you. It was really nice. I really enjoyed. We've been wanting to do this for a long time, and maybe 2021 it had to happen. So I'm happy, and it was nice answering to all the people out there. And I'm sorry if I ignored anybody or missed out any questions. And it was really fun talking to you. It was really nice. So let's do this again. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming on to the show. It really means a lot. And definitely, we will plan another show sometime soon.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so
stay
much.
connected. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Have a good day. Have a
Have a
great
amazing
week next
day.
coming week.
Definitely, you too. Thank you so much.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye.
Bye. So, guys, that was Namo City. So, it was an amazing episode. Thank you so much for doing it, City, and it really means a lot. And to all the audience, it was an amazing show. Thank you so much for logging in and for all the amazing comments and questions. Until the next show, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ. Please stay safe and take care of your loved ones. Spend time at home and count your blessings, guys. I think that's one thing that we have all to do. I think this coming year is count our blessings because we have to be very grateful to life for everything. So let's make sure that we stay grateful, stay humble, and I'll reconnect with you very, very soon and with another guest on another episode. Until then, you guys, please take care. Until then, I think there's somebody who is commenting a lot on. I don't even want to take her name here. I think I'm going to just chuck her out because she's someone who I don't want on my show right now. Dude, get a life. Rakshita official, get a life, live your life. Bye. Okay. Parting note, thanks so much. Love you all. Take